The Vivid Money app is quickly becoming the go-to financial tool for EU expats who want a seamless, efficient, and flexible banking experience. Designed with mobility and global access in mind, Vivid Money provides an account that feels both modern and practical, bridging the gap between traditional banking and the demands of a digital lifestyle. For expats, this app offers a solution to managing finances across countries without the usual restrictions, delays, or high fees often associated with international banking. Opening an account with Vivid Money is straightforward and fully digital. The registration process can be completed from anywhere in the EU, without the need to visit a physical branch. Users benefit from instant account activation and a fully functional debit card, enabling immediate access to funds and online transactions. With multi-currency support, Vivid Money allows expats to hold, exchange, and transfer money in multiple currencies with competitive exchange rates. This eliminates the need for separate accounts or expensive conversion fees when moving between Eurozone countries and beyond. Vivid Money integrates several innovative features that are especially useful for expats. The app allows for real-time notifications for every transaction, helping users stay on top of their spending and avoid unnecessary charges. It also supports direct deposits, scheduled payments, and automated savings plans, making financial management effortless even in a busy expat lifestyle. Security is a priority, with robust encryption, biometric login options, and instant card blocking in case of loss or theft. One of the standout aspects of Vivid Money is its cashback and reward system, which is integrated directly into everyday spending. Users can earn cashback on international purchases, subscriptions, and select merchants, effectively turning routine transactions into additional benefits. The app also provides easy access to investment options, allowing expats to grow their savings in a convenient, low-barrier way without navigating complex traditional investment platforms. For EU expats, Vivid Money represents a blend of convenience, control, and financial empowerment. It streamlines banking operations, reduces hidden costs, and keeps money accessible across borders, offering a flexible and reliable platform suited for modern expat life. By combining digital-first design with practical tools, Vivid Money makes managing finances abroad as simple as managing them at home.